Hello, my name is Janae Pomeroy, and I will be recording how I open up Ubuntu from VirtualBox. So first when I press start, that's going to fire up Ubuntu for me. I need to wait for that to fire up. Just going to close that. It's loading. Bear with me, please. My computer tends to be a bit slow. Let's type in my password so I can get on. Again, my computer's a bit slow, my apologies. Alright, now I'm onto Ubuntu, so I want to open up the terminal. So I am going to go up to the applications, and terminal is one of the first things that pops up, so I'm going to click on that, open it. Similar to the instructions the teacher gave us, I'm just going to try to type in something and see what happens. Obviously, it doesn't recognize the command. Now I'm going to type in the date command. The date command should give me the date and time it is today. Alright, so it's Sunday, 29th of August, 2021, 9:22 p.m. Cool, and something cool is that if I press the up arrow key, it'll conveniently fill in the last command I did. So if I press enter, I will once again get the date. So that's something really cool. Now that I've shown you I can use the date command, I will just exit. Thank you.